In Oracle Fusion, when we click on some of the tasks as highlighted here or some of the buttons as highlighted here, we will be routed to an Excel, and in the Excel we are expected to see the data from Oracle Fusion in the Excel sheet. We will be able to update the data in the Excel, and when we click on upload or submit, this data will be reflected in the Fusion instance. But if you are facing an issue wherein the Excel is blank and it is not showing the data from Fusion, then in this video we will fix that issue in step by step. Before we jump into the solution, let us spend 1 minute to understand the architecture that Oracle uses to connect Oracle Fusion to an Excel. To support the connection between Fusion and Excel, Oracle has given an integration tool called ADFDI. ADFDI stands for Application Development Framework Desktop Integrator. ADFDI allows you to download the data from Oracle Fusion into Excel, update it, and upload it back to the system securely. So ADFDI is not in just Excel file add-in. It establishes live connection between Excel and Fusion, and to establish the DB connection, it uses Java. If we summarize this, there is one integration tool called ADFDI given by Oracle. We need to install that, and we should tell to Excel to use that tool. So we need to link the ADFDI to Excel. That is the second step. As this process uses Java, we should have the latest version of Java installed in our system. Before fixing the issue, let us see the issue in the instance first. If you are doing asset revaluation, when we click on the prepare, it opens an Excel. Click on enable editing. If all the setups are available, this Excel will show us the data from Fusion. As setups are not there, the Excel is blank. Now let us fix the issue. Here are the steps we need to follow to fix the issue. First, download the ADF Desktop Integrator and install it. Let us go to the Fusion instance. In the tools, click on the download ADF Desktop Integrator. Click on it. Click on next to install it. Click on install. The installation is completed. The next step is we need to set the add-ins in the Excel. Open an Excel sheet. Go to files. Go to options. Click on add-ins. Select the manage as COM add-ins. Click on go. Select this Oracle ADF Desktop Integrator. Click on OK. The next step is set the Trust Center settings in Excel. Go to Files, Options. Click on Trust Center. Click on Trust Center Settings. Click on ActiveX Settings. Here select one of these options. Both should work. For some reason, if this is not working, select Enable All Controls radio button. Select this checkbox. Go to Macro Settings. Select the Enable VBA macros and Trust Access to VBA project. Click on OK. Click on OK. So now we did this linking part. And now if Java is not available in the system, we need to install the Java. In my case, Java is already available. If you see this, I have the latest version of Java available in my system. If you don't have Java, download the Java from Google. Go to Java download and click on download the Java for desktops. And as I already have Java, I'm not doing that. If you don't have it, or if version is low, better to download the latest version of the Java. And if you are downloading the Java, after you do that, restart your laptop before you retest the changes. As I am not installing the Java, now we will go to the instance and we will check it. Go to the reval, click on prepare. Click on next. Now we can see the data populated in the Excel from Fusion instance. If you find this video helpful, like it, leave your feedback in the comments. If you are serious about learning Oracle Fusion Finance, subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we will discuss about asset retirement.